how to back up your app Link Pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Backup, Accounts and Backup. So you will see Accounts and Backup is here. So click on Accounts and Backup. So click on Google Drive and click on Backup Data. So after click on Backup Data, so if you want to backup your app Link Pro, so click on Other Data. So you will see click on Backup Now. So after click on Backup Now, so you will see your data is backup. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh once. So that's how you can backup your apps Link Pro on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.